On the way to our final Bali location, we visited 2 temples. This first one is Pura Besakih, the largest and holiest temple of Balinese Hinduism, and we had it all to ourselves. After the calmness of Besakih, we headed onward to just the opposite, Lempuyang, where just like the DMV, we received a number to wait in line for a photo. They're on 135, and we are number 313.
It's what I expected. People are cheering each other on though, and they're doing funny poses.
After 2 hours of waiting with minimal progress, it was time to move on. We're getting out of here. Bye, Gates.
You did it.
Took too long.
Hi, this is Jordan and Ryan, and welcome to the Beehive at the Hideout in Bali. So first, you come in, kind of like the Frank Lloyd Wright kind of structure where you get real small and you come out, it's big and glorious. You walk through here, you can go to the swing, or you can go inside. And you've got this lovely little living area over here, and our little kitchenettes. You got running water, drinking water, lots of tea kettles. Fridge full of beer, wine, and sodas. Outlets are literally everywhere I look, which is kind of cool. This is our second living room where we've been playing cards all afternoon while they've been fixing the hot tub and the plumbing. But it's cool. Got lots of instruments, lots of games, lots of books. All of these things closed. In case you want to sleep out here. Cool. Pissed off a hornet. Okay.
You found a bug.
Okay.
Oh, we found his nest too.
Yeah. This will be really pretty in the morning, or maybe at midnight. And if we really want to go swimming, we can just get in the river because it looks like it's full of river water anyways. Over here across the way, we saw 3 little girls, and they just kept waving and saying hello. And they came running down the road, and they ran through the little field. And then backside over there's another little river crossing, and they were all bathing and had their little towels. It was adorable. We also got the romance package, which comes with flowers and candles. So when it gets a little darker, I think we'll turn those on and look pretty. And then we're gonna have dinner right here. It'll be nice. And then you go this way to the bathroom. It's an outdoor bathroom. Got your shower. Holy shit. Look at that spider.
Where?
Right there. It's like this big.
Oh yeah, will you hold this?
Jesus Christ.
Hey, Mr. Spider. Right next to the shower.
Toilet. These things. Sink. A lifetime supply of incense. More plugs. And then they've got cool mirrors everywhere, which I really like. And it looks like they make all of their own furniture, which is really cool. I really like the way that they've done this. Beautiful. Look at this rock. It's just, the rocks are the sink. How cool is that? And how old is this bamboo to get that thick? It's everywhere. insane. Okay, the grand finale, the bedroom. 360 degree panoramic view of the river, of the forest. Definitely not a place you can walk around naked, for sure. Eddie was telling us, he's one of the guys who work here, was telling us that in Balinese culture, when two rivers meet, it becomes a holy place. And there's a big stone in the middle that we'll probably show you later. They put offerings on every day. And they said during special festivals, they come down and they bathe in the river right there. But here's the great big bed. And for the first time, I'm gonna use these mosquito nets for a real reason. I'm super excited. The last cool thing. I like a really cool little patio. Not safe for America. Love that it's cool to do here. If we build one of these ourselves, we'll probably have to put up little handrails, but I like it. That's the end of the tour. Cheers.
Here and rest for a couple days, but then it's off on our next adventure. See you then.
Bye. Don't. You're scaring me backing up at the camera.